Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll share with you how I achieved this lovely DIY Pixie short coily frontal wig using expression braiding to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just pinning down my wig cap, then showing you guys the frontal I'm going to be using. I use sorry 2 by 13, sorry 2 by 13 frontal. I cut out the two out myself. This frontal is 4 by 13, but I cut out two out of it myself because I don't want to ventilate all the whole frontal, and I don't have the frontal I'm going to measure myself. This is the only frontal I have, the one they've already mentioned down. So you can see what I'm doing. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be cutting off the excess wig cap under the frontal. We don't need that. So now I have a tutorial if you don't know how to sew down your frontal on your wig cap to ventilate yourself. I have a tutorial on my channel. Can you please check that out? That is why I speed this part, because this video I don't want it to be long, because we are doing a lot in this video. We are ventilating, we are crocheting, we are coiling, we are cutting. It's just too much. So you can see for the frontal I did cut 4. I cut my expression braid here into 4, and I'm using color 35 expression braid here and color 2. Yes, color 2, just a little touch of 2 at the front. So this is the crochet hook I'm going to be using now. I already started ventilating off camera. See guys, just hold on. This is not a normal ventilating. This is a ventilating tutorial for your frontal to be very fast. Let me tell you why I said so, guys. I jumped 2 line, not 1. Like I I ventilate on a whole row. I was like, let me try that out. Maybe my wig is going to look natural. I've never done that before. I always jump only 1 line, but I was so glad to try out this method. Me jumping 2 line, ventilate on a whole row, then jump 2 row. That means ventilate on a line, then jump 2 line. This really make my frontal really fast, guys. I finished the ventilating 2 days, and I was even busy doing something else. 2 days, not a whole day. I'll do it for sometimes, then I attend to something else. It was so fast, and this came out so nobody is going to know I jumped 2 line. Yes guys, this is what I'm going to be doing now. Watch out for a tutorial. I'm going to use this method to ventilate a frontal for a braided wig, so just watch out for that, guys. This really make my work very easy and fast. In fact, I was so glad I tried this method. So let me explain what I mean jumping into a roll to you guys. So you can see now, you can see I ventilate, I skip a hole, I ventilate, skip a hole. So if I finish ventilating a line, normally you're meant to jump 1 line, but me, I jumped 2 line, and this came out so natural, very natural. And the hook I'm using, pick 1 to 2 strand. That is the ventilating hook I'm using. You can see I jumped 2 line, not 1, guys, 2 line. Just showing you guys how natural this looks like, very natural. So I didn't ventilate to the down part, so that was why I said all the parts in this video is very important for you to watch. So I added a touch of color 2 attachment. I want a little bit of color at the front. So you can see that is what I'm doing now, just a little bit of color. I'm just ventilating that part for you guys to see. So this is what it's going to look like. I can't ventilate everything on camera. The video is going to be very long. If you want me to do another video on how you can ventilate your frontal very fast, very fast, comment down below. I'll do that. So now we are at the back. We want to start crocheting the air at the back. Now you can see I'm using my metallic pen to draw out the line at the back. That is what I'm doing now. Then this is the attachment I'll be using for the back. I'm going to be using color 35. I took a new attachment because I'm going to do cut 5 on the back. If it's even possible for you to do cut 6, it will be good because I did a lot of cuts. Just keep watching. I didn't even know that something stained my clothes. Sorry for that, guys. I didn't know. I did this video late in the night after I finished eating. Very late in the night. So you can see I start crocheting at the back. The main reason why I didn't allow my crochet hair to be tiny, don't allow it to be huge, like medium size like mine. We are going to still dip this into hot water and the hair is going to shrink. And we don't want that. We don't want the hair to shrink, you understand, because we want a very full natural looking hair. So I followed the line and I didn't follow the line. You're going to understand what I'm trying to say as we keep crocheting. I did the crocheting knots. I did it twice. Just keep on watching this amazing tutorial. And if you've not subscribed, can you please subscribe to this amazing channel? I really appreciate that so much. So can you see, this is the part I said I followed the line. I didn't follow the line. So if I notice that the way I'm crocheting, there's a lot of space showing at the down of my crochet, then I will take my hair down before I crochet the top part. So you can see that is what I'm trying to say. Now I'll crochet on the line now. So that was what I was trying to say, like I followed the line and I didn't follow the line. Then when we get to the front part, let me tell you guys, I crochet a little hair on that thread side that I sew needle and thread. I use my crochet hook to crochet a little hair because I don't want that thread to show. Then I brush as I crochet to detangle the hair very well. I brush as I crochet. So even if you don't want to coil the hair, you can rock it like this. Just dip it in hot water or straighten it, then you are good to go. This is really tempting me to do something like that. So guys, now we want to start coiling the hair. I'll show you guys because I don't want this video to be long. That was why I really forward this video like that. So the coiling method is easy. Do not twist, just flat roll. You understand? Do not twist, flat roll when you want to coil it. Flat roll, do not twist. You can see that I added some hair from the back to the crochet hair, and do not coil to the front because we want the front to be flat. Off camera I adjust my coils, so you're going to see what I'm trying to say. And make sure you coil all the hair to the back. Coil everything to the back. No parting, nothing. So this is it. So we are going to be using this olive conditioner. Please use a lot of conditioner so that this hair is going to be soft when you touch it. use a lot of conditioner. Do not manage the conditioner, and make sure your water is very hot. Do not manage the hot water, make sure it's very hot. Then I put a bucket on my seat, then start adding the hot water. I don't want to mess the floor. Later on, I took this into the bath. I added hot water very well. I dip all the air into the hot water, then allow it to dry overnight. I think I did the video final look in the afternoon. Yes, the final look in the afternoon, so it's overnight. Then later on in the afternoon, then I took out the coils. Just take it out, guys. Let me be sincere with you guys, I was kind of scared when I was taking out the coils, but something was like, keep on going, do not give up, this is going to come out what you want, just keep pushing. So don't worry if your coils looks like this, do not worry, keep pushing, keep pushing. So you can see I use my hand to separate the coil, the air. I use my hand to separate it. That was why I was using my hand to touch it. I was like, would this come out so nice with this? And this came out so beautiful, so nice, so looking amazing. So now let's start trimming. Please guys, trim a little bit before you put this on your hair. That was what I did. If you over trim, you already spoiled the work. You've already done things. I was even scared of trimming because I don't want this to be overshaped. You can see I just trim a little. I didn't really go in like that. I don't want it to lose the shape. Then I use mousse. I apply mousse on it to make the front lay to the back very well, because we want this to go to the back. Can you see how the inside looks like? Very natural. The frontal natural. Can you see? So neat. So now I want to apply this on my arm. Just showing you guys how this looks like. I've not trimmed it, don't worry. This may look messy, don't worry. I use my got2b hair gel and Xpression. I use both. Then I start trimming again after I lay my hair down. This is the final look. Oh my god, guys, wait guys, oh my god, this came out so beautiful, this came out so amazing. Oh my, I was just kind of smiling, I was happy, I was all over the place in the house. I don't even know what to say. I even use this hair to make a tutorial on my second channel. Watch out for that. Also, can you see how the back looks like? Oh my god, the coils is bouncing. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to this amazing channel. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.